Tired of struggling with manual screwdrivers and wasting time on simple tasks? In today's video, we're checking out the best electric screwdrivers that make DIY, repairs, and furniture assembly faster and effortless. With features like cordless design, rechargeable batteries, and powerful torque, these tools are perfect for both beginners and pros. Stay till the end to find the perfect one for your needs, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have Fanttik E1 Max Electric Screwdriver. Powered by a 200 RPM Neo-Pulse motor, setting with a high torque of 0.2 Nm and a low torque of 0.05 Nm and manual torque of 3 Nm, this electric screwdriver offers accurate torque forces for your handiwork needs. Ideal for laptops, mobile phones, watches, graphics cards, cameras, drone wing replacement, etc. With 50 bits of 12 types, the Fanttik E1 Max Precision Electric Screwdriver can prepare you for various repair tasks. The S2 steel bits guarantee a long and safe service life. A good quality tool makes good quality work. Clever use of magnetic design, comes with a magnetic case that keeps the electric screwdriver and 50 bits orderly in place. The pop-up mechanism brings you a satisfying sensation with every opening and closing of the case. Both the chuck and the bit are magnetic and attach easily. Built with a 350 mAh rechargeable battery, tested to operate over 450 pieces M2.5x5 screws for a full charge. Driven speed 200 RPM motor, easily complete maintenance work, and save your wrist. At number 2 we have Tanson Electric Screwdriver Set. Mini Electric Screwdriver Set 3 Electric Torque, maximum 0.7 N.M, minimum 0.15 N.M, manual torque of up to 5 N.M, accurately adapted to different maintenance needs, professional electric screwdriver 200 RPM high-speed planetary gear motor. Taking into account the design of high efficiency and durability of the design, the gear system has been optimized to reduce wear and tear and extend the service life of the power tool. This electric screwdriver has a built-in 650 mAh Li-ion battery for durability, adopts Type-C fast charging technology, compatible with USB interface electronic devices, fully charged in 1 hour, more convenient charging, and it can drive more than 1,500 screws at a time after fully charged. The computer phone repair tech toolkit is made of high-quality alloy steel and durable double-sided storage case for easy storage and transportation, the best gift choice for yourself or for electronics enthusiasts, PC manufacturers and IT technicians. At number 3 we have Fanttik Electric Screwdriver Kit. The all-in-one workstation, this practical one-piece repair kit takes inspiration from the Magic Keyboard design. It's thoughtfully designed for daily use, featuring a leather mat, a clean bit-shaped logo, and a range of tools suited for precision repairs. The electric screwdriver includes a smooth pop-up mechanism, offering both convenience and reliable performance. Robust efficiency in half the working time. Equipped with an electric precision screwdriver, it takes half the regular time when maintaining your electronic gadgets. With dual torque settings of 0.05 Nm and 0.2 Nm, and a manual gear of up to 3 Nm, the versatility is endless. Maintenance as you wish. Its magnetic design in the storage compartment prevents the batch from falling out, and the accordingly shaped batch markings make it easy to organize. Flipping the integrated magnetic pad is an open sesame to the world of limitless creativity. Choose the right batch head and press to eject the screwdriver to start your work. At number 4 we have HOTO Electric Screwdriver. 5 kinds of Ultra Tough, 12 S2 steel bits all rock solid up to 60 HRC for maximum durability. That magnetic tip has you swapping bits in a flash. Plus, the auto-on, no shadow circular LED lets you work like a master craftsman, even in dimly lit workshops. Whether you're assembling furniture, DIYing your heart out, or doing electrical repairs, this electric screwdriver set is your go-to guy. This electric drill is all about easy elegance. It weighs in at just 0.55 pounds. The double-layered soft grip is crafted from tough plastic and TPE rubber for ultimate comfort. The frosted aluminum alloy storage box holds all 12 bits, giving you a ton of DIY possibilities. And that soft rubber handle on top makes the whole box super portable. So get ready to look and feel like a DIY superstar. With our mini drill, you get 3 torque settings in the palm of your hand. Electric mode, max. 4 Nm, manual mode, max. 8 Nm. And that built-in smart sensor. It's your guardian angel. At number 5 we have ROYTOA Mini Electric Screwdriver. 4 torque settings. ROYTOA Electric Precision Screwdriver has 4 torque modes. Modes 1 to 3 are electric and range from 0.1 to 0.3 N.M, allowing you to precisely adjust the torque to meet a variety of needs. Mode 0 is manual mode, torque 3.6 N.M. With easy torque regulation and stable torque output, this precision electric screwdriver can meet all your needs, including computers, laptops, mobile phones, MacBooks, RC cars, drones, keyboards, PS4, PS5 and other electronic devices. More powerful, this cordless mini electric screwdriver is powered by a 500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery for longer battery life, and the universal Type-C charging interface makes it easier to charge the electric screwdriver. Equipped with a planetary converter motor integration 2.0 that offers higher load carrying capacity and a no-load speed of 165 RPM, this electric mini screwdriver offers efficient fastening performance to save you time and effort. A good quality tool makes good quality work. At number 6 we have SKIL Rechargeable 4V Screwdriver. Make every project easier with this go-to 4V cordless power screwdriver featuring advanced circuit sensor technology that detects live wires and outlets, switches, cords, and fixtures from up to 1 inch away. Simply hold it near the source and press the detection button to instantly identify live circuits with a red light indicator and alert sound for added safety before you begin work, delivering reliable performance with a 230 RPM motor that is easy to use for everyday tasks, while the automatic spindle lock feature allows for manual adjustments when needed, supported by an integrated rechargeable lithium-ion battery for consistent power and convenience, along with micro USB charging for easy recharging anywhere, and a built-in LED work light that improves visibility in dark or tight spaces, all designed in a compact and user-friendly form for better control and efficiency, making it ideal for both DIY users and professionals who need a dependable and smart tool for various applications. At number 7 we have DEWALT Cordless Screwdriver. Professional performance for all your tasks with this small screwdriver set. Tackle a variety of assembly applications with up to 44 pounds 5 mm of powered max torque with manual finishing capability up to 124 pounds cordless speed and efficiency. Drive screws fast with up to 360 RPM of no load speed and 2Ah integral battery that delivers up to 680 screws per charge. Power screwdriver for rapid results. Control delivery. Match power to application with 6-stage torque adjustment. With this reliable screwdriver set, precision and control help prevent damage or stripping with soft start capability and option of lower speed first and second modes for delicate applications as a quality electric screwdriver set. Secure bit retention. Swap out bits fast with the quick load collet designed to keep bits secure during use, a must-have in any rechargeable screwdriver for efficient workflow. USB rechargeable. Help limit downtime with quick 60 minutes recharge and LED battery status indication to track state of charge in between. USB charging cable included. At number 8 we have JOREST Mini Electric Screwdriver. The electric screwdriver provides overheat protection. If the motor temperature becomes too high, it will temporarily shut down and can be used again after cooling down, which helps extend the product's service life. Lasting endurance. Equipped with USB fast charging cable, 1 hour full charge can work continuously for 1.5 hours and unscrew 1,000 screws. Easy to complete precision electronic equipment disassembly. Moreover, the standby battery life is 60 days, so you don't have to worry about running out of power after just a short period of use. Compact and portable is the overall use of magnetic storage compartment design. This mini electric screwdriver kit could be inverted without falling apart. Aluminum alloy electric handle weighs only 0.06 kilograms, and it is easy and convenient to carry on your body. What's more, 38-in-1s2 steel material screwdriver bits are easy to cope with a variety of repair conditions including laptop, mobile phones, glasses, watches, game consoles, precision instruments, computer cases, drones, some small appliances. At number 9 we have HOTO 25-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver. Featuring 1-button start, it offers electric mode, 0.2 Nm max torque, or manual mode, 3 Nm max torque. This mini screwdriver ensures delicate precision for micro screws while offering extra power when needed. Ideal for high-precision electronics like watches, phones, tablets, laptops, and cameras, as well as DIY projects such as drones and game consoles. An ideal choice for electronics and DIY projects. Durable and stylish engineering design. This precision screwdriver set is housed in a rugged PC plus ABS case for long-lasting durability. The all-aluminum alloy frosted finish features a sophisticated 3D texture, offering a premium feel and secure grip. With a compact size of 2.8 x 7.17 inches and weighing only 314 grams, it's also portable and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go repairs. Smart magnetic storage and quick bit change design with a semi-auto hinged magnetic lid. This storage case keeps your electric screwdriver and 25 precision bits neatly organized, preventing loss. At number 10 we have Fanttik E2 Ultra Mini Electric Screwdriver. powerful torque, precise control, with up to 0.6 N.M torque and a 270 RPM Neopulse motor, the Fanttik E2 Ultra makes precision repairs effortless. 5 gears torque adjustment. Perfect for tablets, phones, watches, laptops, and small appliances. For assembly and repair of small, precise items only, not suitable for large furniture or appliances. Extended power, easy charging, with an 800 mAh rechargeable battery, it lasts 2.3 times longer than the E1 Max, minimizing the need for frequent recharging. The Type-C charging port makes charging more convenient, ensuring uninterrupted power for your repair tasks. Revo Store Magnetic Storage. The pop-up mechanism brings you enjoyment with every open and close of the case. Aluminum alloy with a minimalist tech aesthetic. The rotary storage bin keeps bits clean and always organized by magnetic force. Innovative interaction. The gradient indicator bar on the screwdriver can intuitively convey the machine torque gear and screw and slash out status, bringing you a greater sense of science and technology.